Hello, I'm Nitin from Wheatstone. Today, I will show you our new products, explosion-proof motor. You can see the two types motor. The power is also the same. The power supply is 220 watt AC. The rated current is 3.5 ammeter. And the power is 0.75 kilowatt. Also the speed is also the same. It's also 3,000 rotation per minute. The rated torque is 2.4 Newton. The difference of the two products is the collector. This is the new one. We use the aviation socket. It is easily to assemble and disassemble. This is a terminal collector. You will have any needs of explosion-proof motor. Please do not hesitate to contact with us. Thank you for watching.